Southeast Asia. Facts and capitals. Brunei, capital Bandar Seri Begawan, one of the wealthiest nations due to oil and gas exports.
Cambodia, capital Phnom Penh, home to Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world.
East Timor, capital Dili, gained independence from Indonesia in 2002.
Indonesia, capital Jakarta, the world's largest archipelago with over 17,000 islands.
Laos, capital Vientiane, the only landlocked country in Southeast Asia.
Malaysia, capital Kuala Lumpur, a multicultural nation with Malay, Chinese, and Indian communities.
Myanmar, capital Naypyidaw, formerly known as Burma until 1989.
Philippines, capital Manila, composed of over 7,641 islands named after King Philip II of Spain. Thailand, capital Bangkok, the only Southeast Asian country never colonized by a European power.
Vietnam, capital Hanoi, the world's second-largest coffee exporter.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.